Yo, my stuff from Japan has finally come in. We're gonna unbox this. Hopefully there's some pretty cool memories and conversation pieces in here. Alright. Keys. The only thing you're ever gonna need to open the box with. Oh boy. Oh, does not smell at all, actually. Alright, so we're starting off with clothes. Just as what I expect, you know. If you pack things, you know, put clothes in it, you know, to pad it. Alright. Clothes. Oh, actually, this actually I could show off. This right here, the little mascot of AIU. Wan. I would like, you know, the sound a dog makes in Japanese. Wan. Okay. Oh god. Oh no. Oh shoot. This was gotten on Cat Island. Tashirojima is the name of it. Not the headband. This is just a regular stupid kitty headband. Oh well. My PS4. Hey, my dress pants. I could have used those a little earlier. Clothes. Power cord and a HDMI switch. Ooh, okay. Oh. Alright. Conversation piece. New conversation piece. This here, is a little incense burner candle holder thing. It was gotten at, I can't remember the name of it. It's Samurai Village in in Akita. Samurai Village in Akita. Why can I not remember the name of this? Give me a minute. Alright. Kakunodate. This little owl here is from Kakunodate. Historical samurai village in Akita. The jacket I would always wear when biking to the mall. This thing has seen some pretty gnarly weather. Clothes. Oh, hang on. This is what I think it is. Yes. Yes. Happle. It is Happle. That is the club I was in when I was at Akita International University. It's great. They take you on we go on little trips and we invite other people along with it. It's absolutely fantastic. It truly is. So another member of the little Kirby gang here has arrived. In fact, two members. We got Marks and I don't know what he's called. Either way, I have a lot of plushies from Japan for a specific reason. The community outreach thing there. They give you book cards, and these book cards can only be used on books, as it is said, unless you go to a place called Village Vanguard, which is they have chain stores all throughout Japan, and they sell otaku and nerdy stuff. And one of the things you can get with the book card are plushies. So I wasn't really interested in buying manga or anything. At least I never saw anything there that would trip my trigger simply because they were all in Japanese and my Japanese is awful. So I bought Kirby stuff. Hooray! Alright, moving on. We have, the PlayStation games that I brought with me. Persona, Monster Hunter, Final Fantasy, Valkyria Chronicles. No, I'm sorry, Valkyria Revolution. Awful game, don't ever play it. But I got the soundtrack for it, and maybe that's good. Wires, oh god, webcam. Oh, my recording mic. We're gonna have good quality from now on, everybody. And the pop filter, and oh my god, everything. I'm regretting unboxing this. Mouse. More clothes. Lots of more clothes. My jeans, my pairs of jeans. I can use these. Oh boy. My dice. Been missing these. My Nintendo DS. I don't know why I got that with me. Actually, no. I remember exactly why I had this with me now. I brought this with me because I was going to buy the new Pokemon game, and then I decided not to. Broken GameCube controller. Broken wireless headset, along with its cord. Alright, now we're getting to the stuff that I actually have stories on. Suma Suma is the name of this thing, supposedly, according to my friend from Hong Kong who was with us on the trip. Just these little things, you can like stack them, but only have one. Just this little guy here. So, it's an Akita Inu. I got him in Akita. Hooray! USB to micro USB adapter. More jeans. And, oh boy, we're gonna wear this for a video. These are just pants. These are just pants here, but they're made of a special material. Because they also go with this. This together, this is my Jimbei. Now, you can quickly Google Jimbei if you don't know what a Jimbei is, but it's a traditional piece of Japanese wear. So, this is going to be fun to wear. We'll go full turbo weave here. Wear my sleeping pants, and more clothes. Rounding out the first box. Woohoo! We are on box number 2. I visibly cringed at that. Alright. Oh wow, they used the good tape on here. They used the good tape. Okay. Give me my stuff. Okay, no, you know what? When keys don't cut it, we get something else. There we go. Don't put your finger against the blade like I just did, kids. That's very bad. Very, very bad. And I just realized I'm opening the wrong end of it, aren't I? Oh well, it can always be resealed. Alright, what do we have here? We have Genki book. You know, stuff you use to study Japanese. This was from one of the either the schools, the schools that came and visited or something. This is nice. I like that. That's sweet. A thick notebook. A collection of the writings. I was in a creative writing class the last semester, and everybody's writings right in here. So that's a nice thing to keep. Slippers. So in Japan, you don't wear shoes indoors. So if you're in like a public place where you should be wearing shoes indoors, because it's not necessarily the best to wear socks, then slippers. Oh, this. Yes. So before I left, and some of you might even have signed your name here who are watching right now. I hope so. A bunch of people in the International Student Promoters group that I'm at my current university, before I went to Japan, they got together, they signed this book. It meant a lot to me that I had this card when I was there. In fact, I had it up on my shelf the entire time. It reminded me that I had some community back home, I guess. And back to the clothes. Oh, heavy-duty HDMI. That'll be useful when I find a place. Video capture card, more tools that we can use for making these videos. Cords, 8 USB cords. Clothes, socks, get out of there, into the clothes pile with you. Clothes, oh boy, yeah, I can't just keep pulling out clothes, I have to get the big stuff out. Oh hey, what the hell? This isn't my sock. It's too sparkly to be my sock. Whatever. bunch of cords, cables that go to my PS4 that are in a different box than the PS4. Yeet. Oh god, this monstrosity. So, this is a rice cooker. I know, but calm down, there's more. This is a Japanese rice cooker. You notice you probably can't read anything on there, and if you are reading that correctly, then congrats on you. You've learned Japanese, or you're one of my friends in Japan. I still don't know what any of this means, but I know how to use it. And that's all that matters in the end. So, that's more ammo for the cooking show. The PS4 controller. Okay, RGB cables. Alright, we are done now. That was it. Hope you enjoyed things. Some of the stuff I mentioned briefly, like the green shirt that I showed and the Happle shirt. I'll probably make a whole video about Happle at some point when I go talking about my time at Akita International University. I'll probably talk about the green shirt, which, as I didn't mention it immediately, but it is from the Happocho program where I went up north to a town called Happo, and I'll make at least one video over Happo and that program in general. Until then, we're me out. God, how do I do this to myself?